Hi everyone! Yes, today we're going to make noodles again. I'm going to make Chonging Noodles. Chongqing Xiaomian. Chongqing is one of the major cities in China. It used to be part of Sichuan. It's very famous for hot pot. And this noodle is so flavorful. It's a bunch of ingredients. I'm going to show you now. Of course, I'm going to make with chicken. Normally it's made of pork. You guys know I prefer chicken. I hope Chongqing people won't be upset with me. And of course, I have the trio, minced ginger, garlic, and green onions. And inspired by the Chonging Noodles I ate at Sichuan restaurant, they also put the chickpeas. This is the pan-fried peanuts I made, and Sichuan pepper powder, Doubanjiang spicy broad bean paste, of course homemade chili oil, and this is Ya Cai, the preserved vegetable. And I have dry noodles. If you have fresh noodles, I only have dry noodles at home today. Of course, we need the soy sauce, vinegar, and if you have the Sichuan pepper oil, you can use that. Very pungent. Of course, a little bit of chicken stock, and just some leaves. I use 𝐬𝐢𝐦𝐢𝐭𝐜. It's kind of like a lettuce. You can use the pea tips and other leafy vegetables. First, we're going to make the soup base. First, we're going to brown the meat. Heat up the pan to high heat. I have about a few ounces of ground chicken. Actually, I chopped up. It's like 2 chicken tenders. Yeah, if you want to use pork, as I said, traditionally should be pork. Go ahead and use pork if you like. We're going to brown the meat for about a few minutes until all the liquid out and the meat is golden brown. After a few minutes, meat is brown. You can see, chicken doesn't have any fat coming out. We can add a little bit of oil, and now we add the Doubanjiang, about a tablespoon, and also our trio, ginger, garlic, white part of green onions. We always use white part for flavoring and green part for garnishing. And mix this up. Now we add the chicken stock, or you can add water just to cover the chicken. That should be enough. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Now our soup base is boiling. We just turn to low, let it simmer about a few minutes, and this will be ready. After a few minutes, our soup base is ready. We just add a little bit of Ya Cai, the preserved vegetable. Skip it if you don't have it. And this will be our soup base. Now we're going to cook the noodles. Now water is boiling. We're going to boil the noodles. It's going to take about 6 to 7 minutes. While we are waiting for the noodles, let's make a sauce. Add a little bit of soy sauce, light soy sauce, put the vinegar, Sichuan pepper powder, and if you have the Sichuan pepper oil, just drops of it, it's very pungent. And this is homemade chili oil. Depends on how spicy you like. And our soup base. Just going to scoop. Yep, that is a noodle base. If you need more soup, you can add some noodle water. Our noodles is almost ready. Let me put in the leaves. And also, I'm going to just heat up the chickpeas. This is the canned chickpeas. Oops, we dropped one. That's fine. Let's heat up a little bit. Okay. Now our noodles ready. Let's take it out. Hot. Piece here. And we garnish with some green onions and my pan-fried peanuts. Yum. And chickpeas. Just drizzle some hot oil. Our noodles ready. I cannot wait to eat. Smells so good, looks so good. I'm going to try for you guys. Just so much going on here. You have the chicken soup base. And pan-fried peanuts. Chickpea. It's really good balance of all the flavors, the spiciness, a little bit sour, numbiness. It's so good. Whenever I don't know what to eat, I always count down noodles. What do you count down? Please try to make this delicious noodles. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.